Welcome to our room. We're staying in a woods view room here at Riverside. It's got a double queen bed inside here. And of course, I love this little detail here, the little Mickey towel.
I did not even notice that.
Detail.
That's cool.
It's one of the things that I love about a Disney room. But this is one of the newly renovated Tiana rooms here at Riverside. So we're gonna go through this room. We have a nice dining area here so you can tell your stories of your day at the park and also enjoy beignets. Yes, you can go to French Quarter and bring your beignets here and enjoy them.
Beignets, I like it.
Beignets. You have your AC unit here. We also have a corner room, so you have double windows here and a nice wood view.
There's definitely woods.
I love this little detail. I just stayed here about a month ago, and the hooks on the wall so that you can hang your bags or coats right here at the get-go is really nice. And we're gonna head over here. This area I love because we stayed at one of the newly renovated 2018 rooms, but this update, this whole entire section here is just so nice. It is packed with drawers, lots of storage, and then you have your refrigerator here.
How fancy.
It's a very fancy refrigerator, and it does keep your drinks nice and cool.
Does this room come with a Stanley thermos?
No. No. And of course, one of my favorite things at Disney is your welcome family board. So when you check in, you walk in for the first time, they have this playing with music. I love it. It's just so nice. You've got your ice bucket, some Tiana's Place. Oh, that's hinting at beignets right there. Tiana's Place right there. You've got your coffee maker. It's a Cuisinart. Okay, you've got your Twinings and some Joffrey's coffee.
Joffrey's coffee.
Joffrey's coffee. And of course, all of your fixins there. You've got your safe here. Nice little cubby hole down there. And what I love is all of the plugs here. This is a nice addition. You've got some over here, and then...
The Stanley was blocking them.
And then you've got some more over here.
So you've actually got, the 110s. Looks like you got an HDMI port, a USB-C, and a traditional USB. So that's kind of cool.
Oh, but it doesn't stop there. So we're gonna head over here to where the beds are. These are very comfy. I can attest to that because we've stayed here before. So, you know, Disney beds, you got to get a good night's sleep, and you do here. All right, ready?
Okay. All right, great.
So I just need a little bit of beignets and then I'll fall asleep. You have your nightstand here with your Bible. More space down there, and then you have your Disney Alexa. And then all of your switches. So this down here, just in case you're booking a room here, this is going to control the fan, and this is the fan light.
And this is what you use to order beignets to your room, right?
Yes.
And you got more plugs and USBs over there too.
I don't think you can actually order beignets to your room.
Wow, that's a bummer.
But you can go to Scat Cat over at French Quarter and get beignets. And then you have, yes, more plugins, as Wes said. And then you have your night lights. So if you want to read a book or catch up on some reading, you have your night lights on either side here. But I really love the detail of these murals here. So this is like the bayou scenery. I don't know where the little like frog prince is.
He's right there. He's right there in that picture, right there.
Oh,
He's right over there.
Frog prince. And then of course, one thing that we love when we go to resort rooms is a fan. So they have a nice fan here, keeps you cool at night.
Let's see. There we go. Turn that bad boy on.
Another detail I noticed on our last stay here was this little nightstand.
Oh, it's like a little baby.
It's a little baby nightstand. It was really nice because I could put my cell phone there. So, you know, sometimes you go to a resort and the person on one side of the bed doesn't have a nightstand. And this was a really nice touch. So good job, Disney.
You could probably put a beignet on it. That'd be like a perfect size for a beignet.
A beignet, a drink, a cell phone. I'm gonna check, is there one over here? There's not one over there.
Just our luggage.
Let's go check out the bathroom. This is one of my favorite parts about the Riverside renovation. You have this nice sliding door here that'll give you a little extra privacy. And then back here, they did a nice job giving you a cubby hole station here, complete with a steam iron. So you can leave your steam irons at home because they have one here at Riverside. And your hair dryer with attachment. And I don't think there's anything in here.
That looks like an AC. No, open it on up.
Oh, more storage.
Wow.
Look at that.
With a little vent to vent your beignets. Maybe it's a beignet warmer.
Oh my goodness. You have your iron board here. A little garbage can down here. And then to hang up your clothes, you have a whole section here, including a luggage rack down there.
Nice.
And of course, for those of you that get cold, you can take advantage of the pillow and extra blankets here. Last time I had to open this up to get the extra blanket.
You know what you could get? Just order an extra large beignet and cover up with that and bite a hole in it and crawl on in.
You see where Wes's mind is right now. It's all about beignets when we stay at Port Orleans.
Beignets on the brain.
And this, what would you call this thing? What is it called?
A sink.
A beignet?
See, who's got beignets on the brain now?
Look at the details on this vanity here. Again, a really good job on this renovation. They have a stool here if you have kiddos. I mean, you can use it if you're a big kid too.
Yep, it makes me taller.
More storage space down here. 2 sinks, and of course, my favorite Disney sea salt products. I'm really sad that you can't buy them at the store anymore. Tissues, towels, and of course, for us ladies.
And cameramen, oh yeah. Yeah, we're getting a little stubble on the outside of the lens here. I'm gonna have to shave that down later. You see any dust? I think we're good. Okay, sorry.
If you need to pluck your eyebrows, you've got the mirror to do it.
What is happening with our fan?
Oh my goodness.
It's making some noise.
Is it gonna fly off the wall?
I hope not. All right, let's. You know what? Let's maybe let's go back over here and. Oop. Let's give that guy a rest here. Okay.
Moving into the shower area, this is a great addition to their renovation because if you remember before, if you stayed at Riverside, they used to have the bathtub in here and now you have the nice walk-in shower. So I'm gonna let you take a look. They have the rain shower head and then they have the regular handheld shower as well. And of course, in Disney fashion, they have the Sea Marine shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. But I love the tile, the subway tile in there. And if you look down at the tile, it is a really cool Easter egg to the Princess and the Frog. They're little lily pads. Now that you've seen the room, as Wes has been hinting, I think we're gonna go find some beignets and show you the rest of the resort.